Hi you guys, and welcome back to Nicole Does What. It's another rainy day in Georgia, so yes, I just want to show you guys the refresh of my Tic-Tac-Toe box. Be blessed you guys, and I will see you on the next one. Hi you guys, this is my first Dollar Tree purchase for the fall season. As the weather starts to cool down and the days turn into night, we tend to stay in the house and we tend to play board.
Yeah, it's the one. Whoa, whoa. Yeah, yeah. Got me tied down on the way to the beach. 4 bad chicks in the middle of the street. Oh, right up in the yard.
Game. So last year you saw us make our Tic-Tac-Toe box, so this year I just wanted to make it a little bit more modern, and also I wanted to match my table when I do my table with my Pure One pumpkins. So that's the reason why I got these, because they remind me of the Pure One pumpkins that I got. And then I was just going for a white and green theme this year, because I got a lot of green stuff that I had bought last year, and I'm just not in the market for buying new stuff this year, but this was one of the buys that I wanted to buy. Let's take a look back at the Tic-Tac-Toe box from last year with the pretty pumpkins in them. Okay, let's go back. So this is that pretty Tic-Tac-Toe box that we made last year. So this year we are just modernizing this box and making it go with the theme of my table and the dining room, and then the table in the living room. Okay, let's get into this, you guys. And this is where that tray landed. So cute, cute, cute. So you know I got squirrels. I'm gonna take my elephants and change them to my little squirrels, I guess. Yeah. Bah, bah, bah. So cute.
Hi you guys, did you enjoy the video? This is just a scene of me and my mom playing tic-tac-toe. I hope you enjoyed the video. Be blessed, and my mom will see you guys on the next one. Bye bye.
She got her hands all over my body. I ain't trying to stop, and I know she with it. I can see it in her eyes. She been down from the beginning, and she can't leave me alone, cause I drive her body crazy. Gave her a little taste, now she wanna have my baby. Yeah. Chillin' in Miami and I'm at a love free. Got 3 bad friends and they all on me. Me and baby girl, we been chillin' all week.